Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Python on Windows 10 operating system. So first you have to go to favorite browser and to type over here Python download. Hit enter. So here you have to go to the official site of Python. Once when you are here, you will see this download Python install manager. So just simply click on that. That way to download Python manager. Once downloaded, just simply click on this installer. That's going to open this Python install manager. Here to click on install Python. Here just simply type Y on your keyboard and hit enter. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. Again type Y and hit enter. Again type Y, hit enter, and it's going to start installing your Python. Do you want to view their online help? Just type Y and hit enter. It's going to redirect to your browser showing this documentation. You can always read this on your free time. Now I'm going to show you how to use this latest version of Python for Python programming. First let's go to search and type idle. So just open Python idle shell. So here you can see that we have successfully installed latest version of Python 3.14.2. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Python. Now let's print something on our console. So we'll print hello world. Hit enter. And you can see the output was generated. We can create a new file as well. So create a new file and write a Python program. So we'll write some summation program like a equal to 5 and b equal to 5, and we are going to print a plus b. So that should be generating 5 plus 5, 10 as an output. So first go to file and save this file on our desktop as sum.py. So file is rightly saved, and now if you go to run and click on run module, we are going to get that output. So whatever you have written on this code, that 5 plus 5, that is a plus b equal to 10. So that output is clearly shown on our console. So that's how you install latest version of Python on a Windows 10 operating system. Please do follow all these different videos that I have created on Python. You'll be able to learn a lot of new things. And I highly recommend you to also install PyCharm IDE as well. So for that I have this detailed video, so please do check these videos, and detailed source code are also available for all these different projects that I have created on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.